Dami, is it good? It looks really good.
He loves that.
He makes taco with short rib and kimchi.
Dami's eating Cheerios with Gerber food.
That's Mexican food anywhere in the world, except maybe Mexico.
Dami, say your ABCs. A. A. Mm-hmm. He's eating out of stars.
Yes, but I would try it anyway. That looks good. Thank you. Honey garlic chicken wings, perfect dessert. Well, that's really awesome. 15 years in LA. What's the best part about being out here?
You know, when I was with me, I was so French. And at that